Today's the day. I'm installing our new custom Elfa closet. I've never installed one of these before, so we'll be learning together. I started this project by removing the closet rod and shelves, patched some holes, added some touch-up paint, and we're ready to go. The instructions seem pretty simple, and they match my space.
And you can even find quick how-to videos online about installing each part.
First thing I have to do is install this top track. This is the only time I have to use a drill. Everything else hangs off this. I've marked the height it needs to be, and I'm using a level to make sure it's straight while I mark the holes. Now I'm going to drill the holes. If I don't hit a stud, I use drywall anchors. Otherwise, I just screw it in. There, that was the hard part. This is a standard. They slide in like this, and they hang from the top track. And all of the shelves and drawers attach to the brackets that hook into the standards. The instructions tell you to leave the standards together. This makes it easy to get the brackets for your shelves and drawers all lined up. Now you can spread out the standards to match your design. And now for the fun part. These ventilated shelves pop right into the brackets. And the closet rod hangs from the hooks like this. We're almost done. Now it's time to install our hanging drawers. Find the shoe-shaped piece, find your tabs, place them into the notches in your bracket. Line them up with the slots on the brackets and push them back to lock it in on both sides. Next, slide in the drawer frame. Then, to make it easier, add the actual drawers from the bottom up. Now the finishing touches. I'm going to snap in the drawer dividers, add the bracket covers, and the shelf liners. Man, that looks good, you know? And it didn't even take that long.